Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunShare channel. Today you can learn how to fix Windows Media Player cannot play the file issue. Solution 1. Install the necessary codecs. Navigate to the codec website and then download the software. OK, install it immediately after downloading. You should select Windows Media Player as the preferred video player. After installing, restart your computer and try to play the audio or video file in Windows Media Player. Solution to update Windows Media Player. Open Windows Media Player. Click the Help tab and choose Check for Updates. Then, follow the instructions to install the updates. Solution 3. Repair the file. Go to isunshare.com. Then download and install iSunshare's Repair Genius. Open the software. Click the Video Repair feature. Then hit the Add Video button. OK, the MP4 video is added. Now go to click the Repair button. The MP4 file is successfully repaired. Finally, click the Save button to save it locally. You can select any folder to save it. Solution for update audio and video drivers. Press Windows key and X key, and select Device Manager. After that, expand Display Adapters. Right-click on it and choose Update Driver. Besides, you can expand sound, video and game controllers. Then right-click on it and choose Update Driver. Finally, restart your PC and try playing the file again. Solution 5. Run the Windows Media Player Troubleshooter. Open Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot. Hit Additional Troubleshooters. Click Video Playback. After that, hit the Run the Troubleshooter button. Then the troubleshooter will run automatically and find the issues in the end. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.